Let's exert our will on them all day long. Our will, our tempo, our pace, our finish, and win. 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3, win.
Let's start fast today, man. Let's start fast today. Let's start this stuff with a punch in the mouth. All right, we don't gotta let nobody score it. We don't gotta go 3 and out first. We ain't gotta get out. Let's get started early today, all right? From the coin toss, we don't go. Yes, sir. From the coin toss, we don't go. Here we go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Seeing that playoff picture, it's that time of year, right?
It is that time of year. Players and coaches have a greater sense of urgency because of that.
All in on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Second down and 10. Tungo Bailoa. Nice catch. Here goes Hill. Kiss him goodbye. Touchdown, Tyreek Hill. What a throw.
I'm the best in the world.
You hit him in stride. Nobody's catching Tyreek Hill.
Wow. He all day. All day. He ready to eat all day. Hey, you look like a badass kid. He hit the ground, he gone. Let's keep going, boy.
Two into the air. No, he's got it. He's got it. Touchdown. The throw by O'Connell. It's picked off, intercepted. Ramsey's got it. Second interception this season for him.
Hey, man. Hey, there we go. Oh, there we go. Nice good job, man. Nice. We want all the smoke. Good job.
And there is Jalen Phillips, the #1 pick out of the University of Miami.
He's having an outstanding season. Chubb who gets around to the outside, gets him to step up, and Phillips is able to get there.
I thought you forgot. You called cover me. I was like, go! I'm in there like, come on! You know what time it is, man. Defense. Come on, man. 2:15, man. Hey, y'all better more for me, because I'm getting one, so.
4th and 6. Here comes the pressure. Intercepted Phillips on the big hit by Christian Wilkins.
Good call, buddy. Hey, are you going crazy right now? Nah, bro, who are you?
Dolphins have not lost a game at home this season. They lead by 7. Raiders have it out of timeouts. Second down and 10. Good time. Going deep, looking for Tucker. Intercepted. Another one for Ramsey. Sealing the game for the Dolphins.
I'm so proud of this team because the way you guys approached it, the way the effort and the strain was, you guys played together. And, I mean, literally our sidelines are a beautiful thing during the game because there's just focus and next play.
Black Friday, huh? It's time to take something. We ain't waiting in line, we taking something. From beginning, we taking all damn game. Let's go, baby. Dolphins on 3. 1, 2, 3, Dolphins. Woo!
This is a tricky game for them. Divisional opponent, on the road. They need to show some maturity and take care of business.
They're first in points, first in total offense. They're first in rushing. Pass here. Here's Hill. Escapes a tackle. Into the end zone and goes for the game's first touchdown.
All day. Big time across the board. Big time. Good job.
Meanwhile, the Jets trying to get something going. Well, look out. Sacked.
They say he can't pass rush.
This defense is doing everything.
Always a lot of fun.
The next.
Stop. And we'll see what Boyle, how far he can throw it, if indeed he throws it, or they try a lateral or whatever here. Meanwhile, he just tries to get away from everybody, throws it into the end zone, into a lot of traffic, and there's a pick on the other side. Holland is inside the 40. Can you believe this? touchdown, Mostert.
Hey, just know I love all y'all. All right. I love all y'all.
That was a different win than any that since I've been here, okay? And here's the reason, okay? In the division and down the stretch in football, they talk about two things you have to be good at to win this league. They talk about defense and they talk about running the ball. Understand that this was a very important game. I was very proud of how it was obvious from the jump that this was your game to have, and you guys earned that, okay?
Sideline now. We got to bring our own juice. Hey, stand on me. 1, 2, 3.
Tua. Lawson. Tyreek Hill touchdown. Explosive Miami play for 78 and a score. It's a roller coaster ride for defenses when you got to take on Tyreek Hill.
Don't do that. Selling is elite. Selling is elite.
Sam Howell and company from their own 38-yard line. First three Washington drives started inside their own 25.
Oh, he threw it right to Van Ginkel. Goodbye. Another defensive touchdown for the Dolphins. Back-to-back weeks.
Zach Sealer. Rodriguez, nothing there. Guess who? Long and Van Ginkel.
Talk about the best. Don't forget to mention me, baby.
This is just tied together as a defense. Beautifully done.
Here comes a blitz from Washington. Trying to get to Tua. One-on-one. Hill, he found it. He's gone. Another long touchdown for Tyreek.
Out the hell of a catch, dog. Out the hell of a catch, dog. That was sick. Willie Mays. Willie Mays. Willie Mays. Willie Mays.
45 on the board for Miami today. A dominant performance in the DMV.
3-piece for the room. Honor and a pleasure and a privilege to be able to block for these two right here. Y'all at home Monday night. Next week, let's get it. Let's go. On to the next.
Much different than the game after we were 8-3 last year. I don't think there's a soul in here that's surprised. That's just cool as the way we come to play football. I'm just so proud of how we operate. We need to keep this going, but great job as an entire team. Very proud to be a part of this.
Hey, great win, boys. Good effort. Let's keep this shit rolling, man. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3. Love y'all. Let's get it, baby.